Hello everyone, I am Shatarupa Bhattacharya from IIT Kharagpur. Alexander Fleming once said, I did not invent penicillin, nature did. I just discovered it by accident. On a similar line, the human body is one such gold mine of innovation by nature, and the gold bars here are the genes. All of you know a computer will malfunction without a proper hard drive. Similarly, the human body will also malfunction without the proper genes. One such blood related genetic disorder is thalassemia. All of you know for the thalassemic patient, every drop of blood counts. But is that drop of blood safe? Because the thalassemic patients are at a great risk of developing blood related disorders like malaria. Now, my PhD is all about that. We have taken the blood from the thalassemic patients in the hospital and checked them for the presence of diseases like malaria, and we have also sequenced their DNA by the next generation sequencing. If you look at this year's Nobel Prize in medicine, it has highlighted how critical genome sequencing is in influencing somebody's immunity or a patient's immunity. Here, if you look at the maps, you will see that the Indian subcontinent is high on the burden of thalassemia, or the thalassemic trait or the thalassemic disease is highly prevalent in the Indian subcontinent. In this one, if you see, it is showing the world map. It is showing that two diseases like malaria and thalassemia are coexisting or existing together. Now, my question is, why would two diseases which are fatal or deadly exist together? There must be a protective factor. If there is a protective factor, only then two diseases will be able to exist together. Now, my work was to find out what is that protective factor. As all of you know, Lord Brahma is the protector of the earth from all evil forces. Similarly, for my work, I have found out two genes which are playing the role of protectors in the thalassemic patients from blood-borne mosquito-related disorder like malaria. These two genes, that is HLA-C07 and HLA-DQB103, these two genes are very important and acting as a protector in the thalassemic patients from blood related disorders like malaria. People who have this gene in the thalassemic patients, they are shown to be protected from diseases like malaria. This is a very important and critical information for clinicians or the doctors, because using these informations and more such related research of these genes, they can predict the clinical heterogeneity or susceptibility of the thalassemic patients towards any blood-borne diseases like malaria. Thank you.